I've been doing some more work on my analog bandwidth meter. I received my second 50 microamp ammeter from Adafruit, so now both meters are matched at 80 millimeters, and I can now drive both across their full ranges. I've also wired up 4 white LEDs. When I do the final assembly, I'll drill out holes in the meters and mount the LEDs in them so they become illuminated meters. But for now, I'm keeping the LEDs lit just so I can make sure I stay under my power budget. The biggest change, though, has to be the new 35mm OLED screen I've added. I'm using this screen to graph out the last 64 bandwidth measurements that the meter's made. Upload bandwidth history is on the bottom, and download is at the top. Even though it's a small, cheap, low-res screen, the OLED contrast makes it look really nice. Getting it wired up and working was fun. Software SPI was far too slow, so I had to build a Ruby driver to control the chip's hardware SPI pins using some C code that I found. I learned some valuable lessons about driving device files from Ruby. You've got to remember to flush your reads and writes. Then, I just needed to port Adafruit's C++ Arduino driver for the screen to Ruby and code up some graphics primitives for setting pixels and drawing rectangles. After that, actually graphing the data was trivial. I think that's it for the component design and coding stages of this project. Next, I just need to build an enclosure and move everything from the breadboard to a prototype circuit board. Right now, I'm torn on trying to design a box to have 3D printed or to just get some balsa wood for a more low-tech feel. Still, whatever I end up doing, I'm sure I'll make another video about it. So I'm sure I'll see you soon.